Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are gonna make a famous and delicious Turkish dessert called sütlaç. It's sweet and simple and made with rice and milk. Let's make it together. For this dessert, it's best to use short grain rice. Soak the rice in water for 2 to 3 hours. Then cook it with 2 cups of water until the rice is soft and tender. In a separate pot, mix 1 liter of cold whole milk with 1 cup of sugar until well combined. In another bowl, add 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Pour in a little of the cold milk and stir until all the ingredients are completely dissolved. Now turn on the heat under the pot with the milk to warm it up. Meanwhile, check if the rice is cooked and tender. Now add the mixture from the bowl and the cooked rice to the warm milk on the stove and stir well until everything is combined. Add 2 tablespoons of cream to make the pudding more delicious. Keep stirring the mixture continuously over low heat for a few minutes to prevent the cornstarch from forming lumps and to cook everything evenly. While stirring, check the consistency of pudding. When it reaches a creamy thickness, similar to porridge, turn off the heat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment to tell me how your pudding turned out, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for my delicious recipes. Now pour the pudding into individual bowls and place them in a large baking dish. Add a little water to dish, then put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius using only the top heat. Once the tops of the pudding are nicely browned, let them cool slightly. Then place them in the fridge to chill completely. Before serving, decorate with hazelnut and pistachios. With love, from my kitchen to yours. It's time to taste. It's turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.